Hello everyone, this is Neha Malik and you are watching me here on English with Neha Malik YouTube channel. I hope you can see me, hear me properly. Let me meet all my students. Have they joined? Quickly confirm once. Okay, Shagufta is here, Ayush Mishra is here, Sandhya, Ishant, Jitin, Ranjit. Okay, who else is here? Aryam Gupta is here. Good morning everyone. Keep joining. First of all, please let me know how are you all? How has been your CGL and other exams, your preparation? Quickly tell me about everything yourself that you have done in these 10 or 11 days. Come on. Rupinder Sandhu, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Komal Yadav is here. Good morning. Aditya Narayan Sharma, good morning. Ranjit, very good. 75 you attempted. Okay. Shagufta, good morning. Keep joining, keep joining. Okay. What was new in CGL 2022 for English section? Many people have doubts. They have some anxieties, nervousness. What will happen in CHSL if the CGL was not good? See, it is time to learn everything from CGL 2022, which was recently done. आपको इससे बहुत कुछ सीखना है. For English section, what was new? No exact pattern from 2017 to 21 was followed. What do I mean by that? I hope everybody can hear me properly. Ashu Mathur, everyone, good morning, good morning. Keep joining. Don't forget to share the video. This session is really important. Okay, exact pattern was not followed. From 2017 to 2021, there was something fixed pattern like two one word, two synonym, two idioms, or two parajumble, one active voice, one direct indirect. But this time, not that two pattern was there. In some of these shifts, three questions from active voice, one question from direct indirect, and no parajumble. In some of these shifts, only one word was there. Okay, not two one words were there. In some of these shifts, there were antonyms, there were no spellings. Okay, so that kind of variation we have seen, and we should learn from that. And it was a good thing because nobody can be so restricted. Okay, that was earlier shift, so now the same repetition will be done in the next shift. No exact pattern followed. That's the main lesson you have to learn from here. Okay, second, every shift had new questions. Yes, no repetition, zero repetition, neither one word, nor idioms, nor parajumbles, nor synonym, nor antonyms. Nothing was repeated in any of these shifts. सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे. Next, English in no shift was hard. Yes, every shift, morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, nobody can say in my shift English was the toughest. एक्चुअली इंग्लिश का जो लेवल था उन लोगों ने सभी शिफ्ट में बराबर या कम स्तर पे ही रखा. कोई भी ऐसा सेशन, कोई भी ऐसी शिफ्ट नहीं थी जिसमें इंग्लिश को बच्चा बाहर आके ये कहा हो कि बहुत शिफ्ट मुश्किल आई थी. नेक्स्ट, ग्रामर, सिनोनिम्स और एंटोनिम्स वर प्रीवियस ईयर ओनली. जो ग्रामर का पोर्शन पूछा गया, जो सिनोनिम एंटोनिम्स का पोर्शन पूछा गया, वो एक ही पहले के पेपर से ही था. पहले के पेपर से बोले तो जो अब तक प्रीवियस ईयर की हम बात करें उनसे. इस शिफ्ट में तो कोई रिपीट नहीं हुआ. जो 2022 का पेपर हुआ वहां तो कुछ भी रिपीट नहीं हुआ, लेकिन हाँ, सारे के सारे पहले प्रीवियस ईयर के ही क्वेश्चंस थे, ग्रामर, सिनोनिम, एंटोनिम्स. Next thing here, yeah, 90% of one words were very easy. 90%. And what about 10%? 10% synonyms, it has been noticed, one word, sorry, 10% one word, it has been noticed they were more of synonyms based. Maybe we have done them in some synonyms, like something is something that is very strange. Something that is very strange, answer is bizarre. And usually we used to do this type of question in synonyms. The synonym of peculiar, strange. But that time we have noticed कि अब one word कैसे आए जो हम सिनोनिम्स में पढ़ा करते थे उसको वन वर्ड की लैंग्वेज में दिया गया, तो 10% वेरिएशन ये देखा गया। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, ईडियम्स 40% वर न्यू, 40% ईडियम्स नए थे। अब इस नए का मतलब ये नहीं कि वो सीडीएस के लेवल के थे, बहुत मुश्किल जैसे सीडीएस में पूछता है, नहीं। जो 40% ईडियम्स नए थे उनमें से भी 15% ईडियम्स वो थे जिनको आप आसानी से ऑप्शंस के माध्यम से कर सकते थे। वी कुड डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑप्शंस, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द परसेंटेज, here I would say skipping would be the best option. So this all we have learnt from SSC CGL 2022 for English section. For reasoning, for maths, your your maths mentor or your reasoning mentor or your GS mentor will tell you in a better way कि क्या क्या उनको ये देखने को वेरिएशन मिले। इंग्लिश में जो जो मैंने नोट किया वो मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया। यहां तक किसी बच्चे को कोई दिक्कत, any problem till here? Okay, it will be really better to take the screenshot of this, because I don't want my students to prepare in a restless direction or in no direction. You have to prepare in a direction. So please take the screenshot that this thing was new in SSC CGL 2022. Okay, now how we will prepare for CHSL? This is really a thing you should ask me, ma'am, what about CHSL now? How we will prepare for CHSL? Grammar 180, grammar 180, this is something you have to revise yourself religiously and regularly. So ma'am, grammar 180 only and only, again and again grammar 180, yes. For sure, if I am saying this thing, so I am saying this thing with my experience and what I have seen in recent SSC CGL. So this thing you have to keep revising. Next, synonyms from 401 only. One word substitution sessions. We will take more sessions on that. So one word is something I will take more and more sessions on one word and will show you like how one word has been put up from SSC side. Next, these 20 mock tests will be a game changer in your CHSL journey. The 20 mock tests that we are going to start from today only. These 20 mock tests, I can assure you, I can take guarantee, if you attempt from mock test 1 to mock test 20, you probably see a major change in your score. So I would like to request each one of you, don't miss any mock test. Okay, and so this is the time. I think we should start mock test now. Are you all ready? To save your time, questions will be shown first and then we will discuss the answers. It is only to save your time. Okay, otherwise we can go like one question, then discuss, then answer, then again another question, then answer, then discuss. It is really something time wasting, and nobody in this situation may has started 23rd से आपके पेपर है, कोई भी अपना समय बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहेगा। तो जल्द से जल्द हम मॉक टेस्ट लगाया करेंगे और उसके बाद आप अपने अदर पोर्शंस को टाइम देना। किसी बच्चे का डाउट है मैम व्हाट अबाउट इवनिंग सेशंस? इवनिंग सेशंस विल बी मोर ऑन वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस, okay, and I will update you the timings and when we will take one word sessions in the evening. Okay, so are you all ready? Yes, one more thing, one last thing. Ma'am, you have mentioned in your thumbnail latest pattern. So how are you, ma'am, so sure that what you will teach us is the latest pattern? SSC CGL hasn't released its answer key, but SSC selection post phase 9 has released. So what I have done, I have seen SSC selection post phase 9 answer key and included those questions in our mock test. जो आज आप मॉक टेस्ट देखेंगे उसमें सिलेक्शन पोस्ट फेज 9 के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चंस मेरे ऐड होंगे, ठीक है, ये दर्शाने के लिए कि हाँ 2022 के पैटर्न पे ही हम मॉक टेस्ट लगाएंगे, कोई पुराना ओल्ड मेथड या ओल्ड तरीके या वही घिसे पिटे क्वेश्चन नहीं, जो 2022 में आए हैं वही क्वेश्चंस हम करेंगे। इसके लिए मैंने सिलेक्शन पोस्ट फेज 9 की आंसर की हेल्प ली है। Okay, so that's how I can be very sure that this is the latest pattern. Okay, shall we start now? All the best. So here is the first question. Come on. Make sure you are sitting with pen and paper. Please have pen and paper with yourself. Come on, everybody. Second question on your screen. First question, second question from SSC selection post. Come on. Okay, Bunty, I got your response. Rohit, come on. Next. Incorrectly spelled word you have to tell. Rohit, Amit, Anand, Sai, Harinath. Very nice question of error detection. Excellent question asked by SSC in selection post phase 9. Come on. Ashu Mathur, Ariyam, Jitin, Ishant. Keep answering. Okay, Rohit, I got your response. Sandhya, Ishant, Ashu, Gautam Kumar. Okay, Rupinder Sandhu, Jitin Gopal, Aditya Narayan Sharma. Come on, everyone. Keep sharing the video. Some of the questions included by me, but majority of the questions from selection post phase 9. After some days, SSC CGL will release the answer key and then I will take the questions from SSC CGL. So you have to wait for the official answer key. Okay, Gautam. Amit Anand, Rohit Surya, Gautam. Okay, Ashu wants to skip question number 7. Aryam, Rohit Surya, come on everybody. Sai Harinath, Ashu, Rohit, Sandhya Rajput wants to skip it. Ranjit is not responding. Jitin is not responding. Komal Yadav with option B. Okay. Okay, Jitin, Sandhya, Rohit, Amit Anand, Bunty Sharma is here. Sayoni Kedia, Komal Yadav. Yeah, make sure you are writing question number also in comment also. First in your notebook or on some paper you are sitting with, and then in comment section, and in comment section make sure you are writing the question number also. Sai Harinath, Rupinder, Ashu Mathur, 11th D. Okay. Ayush Mishra is not here. Okay. Jitin with the 12th answer C. Sayuni, Gautam Kumar, Ishant, Sai. Mary is also here. Mary, have you joined now only? Okay. Bunty, 13th answer D. Next, question number 14. This is the question from SSC CGL 20th April. 20th April question. Antonym of illicit. Come on. Mary, in which question? Okay, Sayoni, Jitin, Ishant, I got your responses. Next. Come on, everyone. We are about to finish this test. Quickly. Don't break your rhythm in these 20 days. So 20 days, 20 mock tests. And rest of the mock tests you have to take like 100 questions wale. So those 100 questions mock tests are equally or more important than these mock tests. Okay, this is something category wise. Amit Anand, Sai, Shivani Yadav, Shagufta, Komal Yadav, Shagufta, how are you? The question from SSC selection post phase 9, this question number 20. And we have already discussed in grammar 180. ओके ग्रामर 180 में भी हमने किया था और देखो सेम क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन पोस्ट फेज 9 ने पूछा हुआ है. ओके गौतम. S Ganesh is also here. Okay, Gautam. I got your response. Sayoni, Shivani, Ariyam. Okay, Ashu, you want to skip it? Make sure everybody has hit the like button, or if you want to hit the like button in the end of the video, though, so it's totally up to you. Jitin with option D in 24th question. Okay. Okay, Ariyam. And here is the end. Please confirm. Like, just show the thumbs up sign if all the 25 questions attempted from your side. Okay, just show the thumbs up sign so that I will be ready for discuss. Shall we start discussing? Okay, so let's start now from. Okay, as the education of girls becomes, ma'am, girls becomes. This is the new pen tab, so I'm not familiar with that. I was familiar with that pen tab, so it will take some time to get familiar with this pen tab also. Okay, education of girls, ma'am, girls plural, so becomes singular. How is it possible? How is it possible with the plural subject, singular verb? So this is something subject verb agreement you have to check. Education of girls. So education is singular subject. So with that, singular verb is fine. Ma'am, why are you telling this in closed test? In closed test, we have to fill the blanks. We don't have to see the subject verb agreement part. Because subject verb agreement के बहुत सारे questions, so many questions asked in SSC CGL, recent SSC CGL related to subject verb agreement. So you must be familiar with subject verb agreement concept. Similar. Similar has fixed preposition. Similar from, as, then, to. Many of the people answered then here. Why similar than that of boys? Why then? Why then similar has fixed preposition which is to, similar to that of boys. Education now of girls has become similar to that of boys. Okay, next. Will also become, okay, their home life will also become similar very soon. Their present greater of domestic affairs. What girls now have a greater knowledge of domestic affairs. So here I am talking about knowledge of domestic affairs. Okay, not instruction, knowledge of domestic affairs. Some of the people answered D here, but B was the correct answer. Okay, so that present domestic affair knowledge soon will also disappear because girls will be more shifted or more inclined towards education rather than the knowledge of domestic affairs only. Domestic बोले तो घर के कामकाज. Okay. After a certain age, here everybody was correct. Question number 4. After a certain age, boys and girls should have a share in parental occupations. Now I want something which is similar word. Now reluctance. Reluctance means unwillingness. Occupations and reluctance of parental. No. Hesitation and occupations. No. Mistrust and occupations. No. Anxieties. Okay. जितने भी उनके soon there will be a time girls also have equal share or more share in family business and in family anxieties also. So जहाँ घर के कोई बिजनेस आते हैं तो घर की चिंताएं भी आती हैं, तो बहुत जल्दी एक ऐसा टाइम आ जाएगा, सून देयर विल बी ऐसा टाइम आएगा कि ऑक्यूपेशन में तो गर्ल्स पूरी जिम्मेदार या पूरा शेयर लेंगी ही लेंगी, उसके साथ साथ जो फैमिली की एंजाइटीज होंगी, ऑक्यूपेशंस के साथ जो जुड़ी हुई एंजाइटीज होंगी, उनमें भी. Last question. Okay, so yet occupations and anxieties, but not in excess, as it would interfere with their education, yet alertness of the problems, aloofness is lonely, answer must be awareness. Answer must be awareness. Yet awareness of the problems of adult life helps boys and girls understand and appreciate the efforts of their parents. Awareness, jagrukta. Okay, so quickly tell me how many answered you correct in these 5 questions. Just quickly tell me, 5 on 5, all questions of closed test were correct. He is bent to harm me as much as he can. I told you, bent on, bent on, bent upon, plus verb ing. Bent on or bent upon, these are phrasal verbs which have the meaning of determined to do something. Okay, what you have to remember, bent can take on, bent can take upon. So ma'am, here it is on also. So why not this be? Because preposition must be followed by ing form. Answer is D. Is it clear? Yes. Upon harming. Preposition always followed by gerund form. Next, question number 19. A place where coins, medals or tokens are made. Mint. Very repetitive question. We have also discussed in earlier previous year mock tests. Following or occurring after death. Okay, postponed, it can't be. Anonymous, something that has we don't have a name of receiver. Anonymous message, a message which is not known to us. Who sent this? Anonymous. Gumnam, can't be. Posthumous, anointed. Many of the people answered here correctly. Ma'am, this is, wait, what happened? Posthumous is the correct answer, but what is the meaning of anoint? Okay, you probably have seen people sparkling oil on somebody's head, or sprinkle, not sparkle, sorry, sprinkle oil or water in some religious ceremony. So that religious ceremony process, anoint of oil, anoint of water on somebody's head, that this will be the new king. Answer is D. Next question, question number 17. Till here, any problem? Yeah, posthumous book. Any book whose publisher or whose author has been died. Okay, so posthumous, released after death. Posthumous child whose father has died and the child was born after the death of father. Okay, no much than 50 trees, no moreover than 50 trees, fewer, few. Okay, you can't deny that we haven't done this in 180, grammar 180. In grammar 180, we have done, okay, so fewer. Ma'am, why not less in the options? There must be less in the options. 50 trees. So trees we can count. क्या हो रहा है यार? Trees we can count. So something that we can count, countable noun. And for countable noun, few. Ma'am, few is here. But we have THAN na. So if we have THAN, it must be some comparative degree. And you can go by the elimination also. It is not comparative degree. It is not comparative degree. It is not comparative degree. Fewer. Okay, so answer is C. Question number 16. This also we have done in grammar 180. Okay, the woodcutter felled some trees with hardly many effort at all. Hardly is negative word. It is negative word. Many is positive word. Contradiction. Okay, with hardly any effort at all. Answer is D. Fewer takes countable noun. Yes, sign. You are correct. Sujit Kumar Chaudhary is also here. Illicit antonym. Furtive. We have discussed in 401 synonym. Okay, furtive means secretive. Secretive. Okay, prohibited, unlawful, they are same. They are synonyms of illicit. Furtive, we have already discussed in 401. Ethical, odd one out. Answer is D. Okay, now till question number 15, please confirm how many questions you did wrong, how many questions you did right. Okay, Ashwini, you skip that. Quickly confirm कितने क्वेश्चन सही हैं. इन 10 क्वेश्चन में कितने क्वेश्चन सही, कितने क्वेश्चन गलत. From 15 to 25, how many questions you did correctly? Okay, Ashu is saying 2 wrong. Okay. Sarita is saying 1 wrong. Bunty is saying 1 wrong. Ashu is saying 1 skip. Jitin is saying 3 wrong. Okay. Shagufta is saying 1 skip, 2 wrong. Okay. The level of the exam, don't think that ma'am you like why we have just taken SSC CGL, there we performed very well. Now in 10 questions only we made so mistakes. See, I myself have increased the level of exam because some of the questions included by me, some of the questions from selection post phase 9. So it is I'm trying my best to keep the level not down. Okay, so that you people will be prepared for the tough or for the toughest. So level मैंने जानबूझ के ही ऐसा बनाया है. So don't underestimate yourself. Okay, next, ravenous. Ravenous antonym. This question we haven't discussed in 401. In 401, we haven't discussed. So, ma'am, how can you say this is previous year question or SSC has asked it before? In 2017, in 2017, this question has been asked by SSC. Okay, so first time when I saw this question, it was 2017, and then I used to teach my offline students. How can you remember this word? Ravan. Ravan has 10 face. So 10 mouth. So if the person has one mouth, he is hungry. So imagine the person has 10 mouth. He will be too hungry. Okay, now ravenous means hungry, and the opposite will be, how can you remember? Ravan. Ravan. He is very hungry. Has 10 face. So the antonym is starving. This is the antonym. Okay. Each and every synonym or antonym was asked from SSC previous year only. Okay. So previous year को थोड़ा सा और previous कर देते हैं. 17-18 की भी हम discuss कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Next. Okay. He has been given a notice to vacate the house. Has been. So must be passive voice. Here also it is clearly mentioned that answer in active voice. So I just look for present perfect. Here I have present perfect. That's it. Continuous, past perfect, simple past, present perfect. Because been कहाँ पे लगाया जाता है? Been कहाँ पे लगाया जाता है? जहाँ पे we have perfect tense. Okay, so perfect tense, ma'am, here also had given perfect tense, but that is perfect tense of past. And in voice, we don't change tenses. In voice, we keep the tense as it is. So it must be present perfect only. A lenient view of her case was taken. Was taken. So it must be simple past. It is not simple past. It is not simple past. It is not simple past. Took. Took changes into was or were taken. Answer is C. Next. Okay, avert. This question asked in SSC CGL recent. Okay, and the answer is prevent. Answer could be avoid also. Okay, जिससे आप बचाव करते हैं. Avert, refrain, abstain. Yes, Bunty. Ravenous means very hungry. Okay. Rest of the words are easy. Contaminate, to pollute something. Question number 10. Selection post phase 9 parajumble. Okay. As I told you the trick, you must look for, first of all, you look for noun. Okay. Adverb, noun. Housekeeper is also noun. But adverb is proper noun. Ma'am, but it is not necessary that we will start with the proper noun only. We can start with common noun also. Yes, you are correct. One thing is sure, we can't start with A because it is conjunction. So we can't start with A. Okay, just because, again conjunction, just because. We can't start with D. We can't start with A. Okay, we can start with B or we can start with C. Now, if you see the C statement, if you read the C statement, the housekeeper bowed and simply nodded in agreement. What is the meaning of nodded? To say yes. When we shake our head like this, ha. So that is something nodding. So why housekeeper nodded? Was there Edward telling him something? Was Edward explaining him to something? That could be the reason that he nodded his head in agreement. So that's why we can't start with C. Now we can start with only B, and here I have two options, BD and BE. BE or BD. No, it should be BD. What is the meaning of this word? Highfalutin ideas. This word I am, to be very honest, I have read it for the first time. Okay. So no good coming here. He continues. Okay. Now it must be BD. This should be the answer. Why? He continues. It means there is some other statement first and then again another statement in continuation. So DA here should be there. Got my point? Answer is DA I have to look for. Okay, wait. Okay, eh, I have done something wrong. Okay. Yeah, I have explained it wrong. I have included both the options synonym. It was synonym. Sorry. It was synonym. I'm really sorry. I don't know why I got blank here. Hungry and starving both are synonym. I had to keep it like filled. And then its synonym is starving. Sorry. So SSC asked synonym of ravenous, not antonym of ravenous. Now is it clear to everyone? 14 वाला कब से आपको बोल रहे हैं, मैंने भी देखा ही नहीं यार. सॉरी. एक तो ये पता नहीं क्यों इतना भाग रहा है. Okay, so answer here is BDAC. Let's move to the question number 9. He renounced. What is the meaning of renounced? The meaning of renounced? So, but the question they asked na SSC, they asked synonym of ravenous. They didn't ask antonym of ravenous. I'm 100% sure. One of my students, Preeti, she told me, ma'am, a synonym of ravenous. So I asked her what was there in the option. She said, ma'am, starving was there. So I said starving was the answer. Yes. So renounced means त्याग देना, give up. Okay, so he gave up both. Both pair is and that's it. Answer is incorrectly spelled word. Sincere, it is correct. Grievance, complain, that is also correct. Leisure, Lei, leisure. Okay, it is not that wala, jhoot wala lie nahi. Not this lie. Leisure. This was incorrectly spelled word. Question number 7. Implicable. It is not impecable. Impecable is different. Impecable means faultless. A person who doesn't do any fault, who doesn't make mistakes. Impeccable, faultless. It is implacable. It is different. Synonym of implacable? Come on. Implacable synonym is relentless. Nice question. Okay, selection post phase 9 on February 9 or on February 8. ठीक है, 8 या 9 फरवरी को 2022 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया इम्प्लीकेबल और इसका आंसर था, देखिए, एसएससी सिलेक्शन पोस्ट फेज 9 कंडक्ट एग्जाम्स ऑन 3 लेवल, 10th level, 12th level, graduate level. So this question was asked in graduate level exam. ठीक है, और इसका आंसर क्या होगा? रिलेंटलेस. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मैग्नानिमस, magnanimous is something that is huge, impressive. Compassionate, kind, who can understand your feelings. Compassionate. Remorseful, a person who is showing repentance. Remorseful. Answer is A. To take a chill pill. Shivani, denounce is different. Denounce is criticize. Okay, and renounce, give up. Renounce, relinquish, give up, surrender, abandon. Okay, they have the same meaning, to surrender, to give up. But denounce, criticize, condemn. To take a chill pill, to calm down. Next, question number 5. The answer will be remain calm, keep one's head. Okay, to be as cool as cucumber. They are same. What is the meaning of conceited? Conceited means a person who is arrogant, supercilious, arrogant. Okay, yes, this is one of my favorite questions. This question I haven't explained in 180 concept. So I'll take my apology. That's why I'm saying this 20 mock test series is very important. Here I will cover each and every question asked recently. Nelson left his home and went to the sea at an early age. Now, here, this sea, what does this sea represent here? Can you tell me? If I'm asking you, Nelson left his home, he went to the sea. So here what do I mean? He died. He attempted suicide. Or here I mean voyage. समुद्री यात्रा या किसी का मरना. What does it represent? Anybody? Okay, some of the people are saying, ma'am, it is confused. Beta, at sea. This means confused. So Nelson left his home and went at sea. At confused. No. You will be surprised to know when I will explain the concept. First of all, it is not idiomatic error here. So those people who are thinking that this is idiomatic error here, no. At sea won't come here. So ma'am, what will come here or what we should remove here? The. What? Yes. These type of question asked SSC till 2014. After 2014, SSC somewhere went towards low level. But again, SSC trying to ask those favorite type of questions. Sea has two meanings. For example, I'm saying the sea appears calm today. Samudra here, how it appears calm. So those are unique things. Sea, world, sun, moon, earth. Those are unique. They have no replica. So those will be preceded by article thou always. We can't say sun is shining. We always say the sun is shining. We can't say earth moves round sun. We always say the earth moves round the sun. So here C is representing what? That uniqueness, that no replica type of thing. So article da must be there. But here C shows voyage. What is the meaning of voyage? यात्रा. घर छोड़ के समुद्री यात्रा पे निकल गया. Samudri Yatra, sea voyage, sea journey. And when sea represents as voyage, it will never ever be preceded by article the. So here answer is A. Is it clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Excellent question. 2014 or mixed to mix 2015. After 2015, SSC never asked this question. And so many years after, they are again asking these questions. Okay, so my focus, I'm just waiting for the SSC CGL answer key. In 5 to 7 days, there are high chances that SSC will release SSC CGL answer key. So I will quickly share those questions also. इस बार के एसएससी सीजीएल में भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे जो उस समय एसएससी पूछता था 2015 तक. ठीक है, अभी तो हम सिलेक्शन पोस्ट फेज 9 से काम चलाएंगे. ओके, इनकरेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड. This I have explained in 401. Feign or fine, what do we pronounce it? Fine, feign. Pretense. Okay? Fascinate. Attract. 4 feet. Something that is not genuine. Duplicate. Okay. Fall on. F-O-R. F-O-R-L-O-R-N. Okay? And it means lonely, unhappy. It means lonely or unhappy. Answer is A. Next. I asked my mother where she kept the grocery. Please answer. I mean, Amit Anand, I will. You know, Amit Anand, I was not in Delhi for some days. I was in my native place. And what I really wanted for today, that anyhow, I take my session on 1st of May because we have entered May and for 10 to 15 days, we are not taking any class. So my sole purpose for today was anyhow I can take the class. ओके तो ऐसा हो भी गया भगवान की दया से. अदरवाइज बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा था कि आज क्लास होगी क्योंकि मैं अभी ये जो मेरा पुराना लैपटॉप है इस पुराने लैपटॉप पे हाथ अब बैठा बैठा नहीं हुआ. काफी टाइम से मैं वो वाला लैपटॉप चला रही थी जो कंपनी ने दिया हुआ था और ये पेन टेप भी मेरा ही है. ठीक है तो सारा सेटअप दोबारा से करना पड़ा. तो इस वजह से थोड़ा सा बस मैं आज ये चाह रही थी कि किसी तरह क्लास ले लूं. किसी तरह ऐसा ना हो कि हमारा 1 मई वाला दिन निकल गया वेस्ट हो गया. अब कल से कोई स्केड्यूल बनाएंगे और क्लासेस लेंगे. ठीक है भाई आंसर बताओ. Many people answered, ma'am, answer should be, many people are saying answer should be B, and yes, you all are correct. I was so afraid that you people would answer she keeps. Okay, I thought that people would say, ma'am, simple present changes into simple past. So direct speech must be this. But I have to keep interrogative form alive na? Interrogative form. Where is interrogative form? This is the interrogative form. And another thing, when I said to my mother, I mention her, I address her by you, not by she. Second person I will use na. I'm asking something from my mother, where do you keep the grocery? So I will use the pronoun you, not she, in direct speech. Answer is B. Last question, the tin roofed house gave up. Gave up, surely not be there. Because give up or gave up, surrender, relinquish, renounce, त्याग देना. So छत ने त्याग दिया? नहीं. Okay, so ma'am, it should be gave away. But it means distribution of prizes. The president gave away the Puruskar, Padam Vibhushan, Padam Bhushan to some of the actors, to some of the politicians. Okay, so give away, distribute, give up, surrender, and give way to fall or to break down. Okay, to fall down, gir jana, to fall. Answer is C. This is the correct answer. Okay, so all the questions done. Okay, today it took a longer time because of some issues are still there, but I will promise that from tomorrow I will try my best that not to take so much time in mock tests. Okay, I'm still trying to find out what is the error in some pen tab or maybe in some laptop screen, whatever. So from tomorrow we will surely improve. And please don't forget to share your marks with me. Okay, how many marks you got? Ranjit got 23 out of 25. Okay. Jitin got 5 wrong. Okay. Shagufta 1 skip 4 wrong. Okay. 2 wrong, 23 correct. So I think Ranjit is the winner for the today's session. 4 wrong is the 3 skip. Okay. Ashu Mathur, thank you. Jitin got 20 correct. Sayuni 2 skipped 2 wrong. No worries. Ashu Mathur 4 wrong, 2 skip. Sarita 4 wrong, 2 skip. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, so all over you did really well. And yes, paper level was not that easy. So in this type of paper, 22 attempt. In this type of paper, 21 attempt with 100% accuracy, 22 attempt with 90% accuracy. Got my point? So make sure कि 3 से ज़्यादा wrong ना करो इस तरह के पेपर में. All the best everyone. Make sure you prepare with me and you prepare daily. You revise daily. 180 I'm leaving up to you. ठीक है 180 you will revise yourself. I will not repeat it again and again that please revise, please revise. Please revise 180 yourself. Please go through all the idioms A to Z. Please go through 401 synonyms. One word, we will have more sessions. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow with the timings I will update in Telegram group. So make sure you join this Telegram group and I will update all the class timings there. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you everyone. You also take care of yourself, everybody. Namaste, Jai Hind, stay blessed.